By the way, this is a classic follow the leader trade setup on the Aussie dollar. This is the foundation of recognizing signals on the matrix. And then this is, once you start understanding this setup, and then from here, everything else starts to evolve and develop from there, start to get a better understanding of market cycles. Your short term kind of works with your longer term, medium term time frames, etc. I think one of the most difficult things for traders really a lot of times to learn is we all understand we want to see resistance and support and identify them on multiple time frames. The problem a lot of times is, okay, how do we use that information? How do we incorporate all of that? And when we have so many charts to look at, I don't know about you guys, but I get really confused about having so much information on so many different charts, overlapping it and making it work for me. So this is, again, where we've got the matrix where it in a very simple way gives you a lot of that overlapping information in a very compact, very concise amount of real estate on your monitor, and allows you to see a lot of stuff that sometimes charts, they just take up a lot of room. And not only that, but too many of them, especially when you're trying to keep up with so many different currencies, really a lot to digest. So it takes a little bit of time to get used to seeing this information laid out like this, but I assure you, if you've struggled with charts, or even if you've done well with charts, but you've lacked the ability to really see price action, this tool will get you to that next stage of really looking at charts with a whole different set of eyes. We've had a lot of professional traders who come in, and again, they've traded for many years using charts. They start using our matrix system, and then slowly they start really seeing things that they couldn't recognize on charts. And again, like anything else, once you've been taught to use charts, it's very difficult to break away from that. Many of them still use charts, but now they can see on those charts information that before it just would go beyond them. It was there in front of them, but they just didn't understand. They couldn't see it. So, I mean, this is the beauty about the matrix. It does allow you to see things that, in the past probably it's been in front of you, but it just didn't jump at you. And now you start realizing a lot of things on your charts that, again, become very useful for you. So, it's a phenomenal trading tool, not only in itself, but even to help you acquire further understandings of interpreting information on charts.